Yeah.
The most beautiful girl in the room.
You?
Can you say gato?
Max, I knew you.
Riot, do you want to get neutered?
Normalize you not touching my charger. Butter. Thank you. What? No.
She's a precious angel.
What are you doing?
You're adopted.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
Olive, why are you sitting on your brother's head?
I got my cat one of these things you can sit in so you can see their feet.
Wait, this tastes like some medicine. Ah! Look.
Great. Big ol' eyes.
Chicky, 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 yeah.
Hi, boys. Nope. Salem.
What? Is your food bowl empty?
May I have your smelly bird?
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it.
Are you embarrassed?
What's going on, man?
Hey, girl.
Riot, do you want to get neutered?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Hello?
Whoa. You cannot have an entire loaf of...
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Diner.
Can I have my noodles?
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please.
What?
She was solvent in a sense.
Oh, that's good. Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
What's going on, man?
Whoa. Wet.
Yo, prendete.
My name is Jen.
And we're going to test to see if
Oh.
I'll give you my address. 要。Oh shit!
What a gentle fight.
Watch your head. The choice is yours.
Он вообще Can I have my noodles?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Are you good? Are you good, bro?
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.